This call is now being recorded.
Okay. See in the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Division by factors. Write the today's topic, division by factors. Now, first number is, if I write 3480 divided by 24. So how you divide 3480 divided by 24? When you divide, that is difficult because we don't know the table of 24. So what we have to do, we have to take the factors of 24. What are the factors of 24? Means 24 किस किस के टेबल में आता है? हमने ले
2 and
लिया
3.
No, bacha, not like that. 24. 24 means 6 fours are 24. Or 2 12s are 24. Okay. So we have to multiply and take out the factors. 24 को खोलो, 6 fours are 24 होता है. ठीक है? या 8 3s are 24 हो गया. आप 8 3 भी ले सकते हो, 2 12 ले सकते हो, 6 4 ले सकते हो. आपने ऐसे नंबर लेना है जिनके टेबल्स आपको अच्छे तरह से आते हैं और वो उनके फैक्टर्स में आ रहे हैं, जो भी आपको अच्छा इजी लगता है.
Ma'am, but
ठीक
we
है?
have to take any one only.
हाँ हाँ, जैसे मैंने ले लिया 6 and 4. You can take 2 and 12, 8 and 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll take 6 and 4. So अब मैं क्या करूंगी, अब इस नंबर को मैं डिवाइड करूंगी 3480 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. पहले मैं 6 से डिवाइड करूंगी, फिर मैं 4 से डिवाइड करूंगी. 3480 डिवाइड बाय 6, इसको डिवाइड करोगे आपके पास आ जाएगा 580. Now you have to divide with 4. Now divide with 4. ये आपके पास आ जाएगा 145. This is your answer. Means you have to first make the factors and divide one by one. So it will be easy. आपको डायरेक्टली 24 डिवाइड करने के बजाय आपको उनके फैक्टर्स के साथ डिवाइड करना है, तो आपका आंसर निकल जाएगा. समझ आई?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सो हमने बड़े नंबर को छोटा कर दिया.
Ma'am, please explain one more time.
Factors. Yes,
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 ma'am.
of course. Today's topic is division by factors, so we'll do many questions on that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So you also listen and understand it. Only your calculation is very fast. How to divide in your mind. You have to not to divide at the side. You have to divide in your mind. Mind calculations आपकी fast होनी चाहिए इसके अंदर. साइड में कोई बच्चा नहीं करेगा, सब माइंड में करेंगे. अब देखो दूसरा देखो. If I write 4250 divided by 25. So 25, the factor of 25 is 5 and 5. 5 and 5. So first we divide with the 5 and then again divide with the 5. 2 times. 4250 divide with the 5. Answer is 800.
850.
850. Then again you have to divide with 5. Answer is 170. This is your answer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear now?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is, if I write 8892 divided by 36. Now all of you do in your copy. 36 makes a factor of 36. क्या बनाएंगे हम? 6 and 6. 6 6 are 36. So divide with the 6. 8892 divide with 6. What is the answer? 6 1 is 6. 18. 28. Then
Ma'am, 1482.
1482. Yes. Then again divide with 6. It will be 247. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 247.
Yes.
2862 divided by 18.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, अगर हम 4 9 चलेंगे वो भी सेम आंसर आएगा।
हाँ जी करके देख लो, करो, ट्राई करो, किसी
ओके।
चीज में डाउट होता है ट्राई करो।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, हम जैसे आपने 24 में 6 को पहले डिवाइड किया था, तो हम 2
फोर
8
भी
6
कर
2
लो।
में 2 8 मैम, हम कभी भी कोई भी कर सकते हैं पहले।
हाँ कोई भी कर लो।
ओके मैम।
18 में ले लिया हमने, 2 9 जा 18, 2 का टेबल और 9 का टेबल, तो 2 8 6 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8, 2 3 जा 6, 2 1 जा 2, ठीक है, डिवाइडेड बाय 9। अब 9 से कर लो। 9 से किया कितना आया, 159।
मैम 159।
दिस इज योर आंसर। इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल?
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
मैम।
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write next number. 81312 divided by 56. Divide by 56. What are the factors of 56? कौन से factor बनाओगे?
7 and 8।
Good. Okay. 7 8 7 8 is 56. Divide with 7 and then divide with 8. 81312 divide with 7. Answer is 11616. Then divide by 8. 1452.
Ma'am, answer is 1452.
Ma'am, the answer is 1452.
Yes, 1452. I have written on the screen. Over?
यस मैम।
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is, if I write 54295, please mute yourself, divided by 30. Mute yourself, girls. 54295 divided by 30. So what are the factors of 30?
6
Three
and
and
6 and
10.
5.
6 and 5, 10 and 3, 10 छोटा आराम से डिवाइड होता है। ऐसे नंबर लो जिसकी टेबल्स आपको फटाफट आप कैलकुलेशंस कर सको। 10 and 3 ले लो, 6 and 5 ले लो। सपोज मैंने ले लिया इसमें 10 and 3, मुझे 10 और 3 इजी लगता है। आई विल टेक 10 and 3, यू टेक 6 and 5। सीधा आंसर इज सेम और नॉट। डिवाइडेड बाय 10 किया, 10 का एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे लगा दिया मैंने, 5429.5। देन डिवाइडेड बाय 3 किया मैंने, 3 बटा 3 8 24 09.83।
3.
आंसर इज सेम।
यस मैम।
Yes
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, your answer is in points. So after this topic, only one topic is left, percentage.
मैम फॉर टर्म 2।
टर्म, ये टर्म 1 चल रहा है बेटा, टर्म 2 अभी शुरू नहीं किया है आपका। दिस इज टर्म 1।
ओके मैम।
इसके बाद नेक्स्ट है फ्लैग मेथड, वो हम नहीं करेंगे। फ्लैग मेथड इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू।
मैम वैदिक पेपर रिजल्ट, वैदिक पेपर इज ओवर टर्म 1।
Vedic paper, I don't know. Paper is not coming from the institute. Final paper is
मैम
not coming.
मैम टर्म 1 पेपर इज ओवर वैदिक।
अभी तक आया नहीं बेटा, नहीं वो तो हमने फर्स्ट आपका लिया था प्रैक्टिस पेपर, फर्स्ट टर्म पेपर भी भेजा ही नहीं उन्होंने।
मैम फिर कब होगा?
पता नहीं, जब होगा तो बता देंगे हम आपको. We
ओके
have no
मैम.
information.
Okay, ma'am.
Over. So
Yes,
afterwards,
ma'am.
I'll send you the
Yes, ma'am.
questions of this. ठीक है, ये ज्यादा
Okay, ma'am.
questions नहीं है.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'll give you some brain teasers. All of you write down. Okay. First is 90D in a. Second column is RA. 26L of the A. 7D of the W. 7W of the W. 12S of the Z. ठीक है, first write this one, then afterwards I'll send you more, give you more. Now you have to judge what it is written. 90D in a RA. Yes, who will tell me? 90D in a.
90 degrees in a right angle.
Very good. 90 degree in a right angle. First is this is a degree and it's a right angle. 90 degree in a right angle. Okay. अब आप नहीं बोलोगे, अब बाकी बच्चे ट्राई करेंगे. जो एक बार आंसर देगा वो दोबारा नहीं बोलेगा. 26L of the A.
Ma'am, L is L.
Ma'am, 26 area.
No. No. Try again. वो देखो, जैसे पहला फर्स्ट वाला था 90 डिग्री इन अ राइट एंगल. ठीक है ना, मैच करना आपने उसी को, सामने सामने उसी को. वो क्या लिखा है जज करो. 26L ऑफ द A. I think first answer is given by Arshdeep.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, answer is 26 letters of alphabets.
Very good. 26 letters of the alphabet. Write down 26 letters of the alphabets.
Third one is fourth one is seven wonders of the world.
Okay, fine. 7 wonders of the world. Good. Third one बताओ. 7D of the W.
7 days of the week.
Very good. 7 days of the week. दिमाग चलना शुरू हो गया आप लोगों का. 7 days of the week. 7 wonders of the world. S of the Z. 12S of the Z.
And 12 signs of zodiac.
12 signs of zodiac.
Zodiac.
Yes. 12 signs of zodiac.
Ma'am, what
Okay,
was the first one? 90-degree angle of right angle.
90 degree in a right angle.
Ma'am, what is second?
दोबारा सुनो ध्यान से. 90 degree in a right angle. 26 letters of the alphabet. 7 days of the week, 7 wonders of the world, and 12 signs of the zodiac. Written? Okay. Next is write more. 52C in a P. 11P in a city. 5F in a H. 206B in a B. Mute yourself. 29D in F. LY. चलो बोलो 52C.
Ma'am, first one is 52 card in a pack.
Yes, 52 cards in a pack.
Second is 11 people in a city.
11 people. No,
Ma'am, 11
only
players.
एक city में 11 people रहते हैं. 11 people in a not in a city.
Ma'am, 11 players in a cricket team.
Yes, 11 players in a cricket team. Eleven players in a cricket team.
Ma'am, third is 5 fingers in the hand.
Okay, 5 fingers in a hand.
Ma'am, fourth is 206
Ma'am,
bones in a
206
body.
bones in the body.
Yes, 206 bones in a body.
Ma'am, fifth one is 29 days in February. Ma'am, fifth one is 29 days.
29 days in February in a leap year.
Leap year.
Ma'am, please ask one girl.
29 days in February in leap year. 206 bones in a body. 5 fingers in a hand. 11 players in a cricket team. 52 cards in a pack. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is only Vedika of 7th A will tell me the answer. Others, please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
926 divided by 125. What is the rule of 125 divided by 125? What is the rule of 125 divided by 125?
Ma'am, the rule is multiply by 8, divide by 1000.
Yes. Multiply 8 divided by
1000.
1000. Good. Okay. Mute yourself. Now tell me, Ruby of 7th B. Ruby is there? Ruby is there?
Yes, ma'am, she is there.
Yes, ma'am, she's there.
Ruby, give me response. Or only switch off the video. There's
Ma'am, she
meeting.
left now.
Left now. Very good. Tanvi Sharma. Tanvi Sharma. Niharika Singh.
Ma'am, Niharika Singh, I have said her to join always. She's not joining. I don't know why. I have contacted her many times.
Okay. Then Piyushika. Piyushika.
Ma'am, she's not there.
Ma'am, she's not in the meeting.
I think she left. वेरी गुड. मैम टेस्ट लेना शुरू कर रहे हैं तो अब लेफ्ट कर गया फटाफट. ओके एरियाना.
Ma'am, Ariana is also not there.
वो सब थे ना ये. How many girls in the meeting? Please check.
Ma'am, 37.
Ma'am, 40.
Ma'am, 38.
39.
Ma'am,
39.
ओके
36.
हाँ फटाफट लेफ्ट करते हैं. पता कि मैम ने अभी क्वेश्चन पूछना शुरू कर रहे हैं तो लेफ्ट करते जाओ. ओके नाउ हु इज इन द मीटिंग नाउ. बाकी का नाम नहीं याद आ रहे मुझे. ओके निहारिका आप बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
643 divided by 50. What is the rule of divide by 50?
Ma'am, 653 divided by 50. It was. Ma'am, can you give me some idea?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Listen. देखो आप 100 को दिमाग में लेकर चलो. 100 is a 1.
Yes, ma'am.
50 is the half. 50 is the half.
2 divided by 2. Multiply by 2.
Multiply by 2
Multiply by
divided by 100.
100.
Multiply by 2 divided by.
Divided by 100.
Okay. Now next is 4235 divided by 25. 25 is the fourth part of the 100.
Multiply by
Multiply 4
Multiply by
divided by
4
100.
divided by 100.
Okay. So remember
Yes,
this. Take a 100 as a whole. Take 100 as a whole and divided by 50 is the half. So multiply by 2. 25 is the fourth term. So multiply by 4. 125 is the eighth term. So multiply by 125. 8, sorry.
Ma'am, I can't understand this.
Who?
Ma'am, Rigakshi.
क्या बोल रही है मीनाक्षी? क्या बोल रही है?
मैम मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही कि जैसे 4 to 35 है तो इंटू डिवाइडेड बाय 25 है तो नीचे 4 कैसे आया मैम? इंटू 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 100.
This is a rule, beta. I have written the rule only. Multiply by 4 divided by 100. आपने क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई 4 करना है और डिवाइड बाय 100 करना है. इस नंबर को पहले इसको मल्टीप्लाई 4 से करो, उसके बाद जितना भी आंसर आएगा उसको डिवाइड बाय 100 कर देना.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, ये रूल्स लिख रही हूं मैं.
ओके मैम.
ओके I'll give you more. Okay. 28 divided by 8. Just Kiran. 28 divided by 8. divided by 8.
मैम कहना है
Okay, बोलो प्रियांशु.
yes मैम into 2 divided by 100.
No.
मैम इंटू 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 10.
No.
मैम
This is 8.
मैम डिवाइडेड बाय 10. मैम डिवाइडेड बाय 10.
No.
मैम into 2 divided by 10.
No, beta.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
plus
4 divided by 10.
बच्चा इट इज डिवीजन ऑफ एनी नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय 8. ये 25
Ma'am, first
वाला नहीं है.
Ma'am, first we have to subtract 2 and 8, and then we have to multiply it of the first number with the same number with 2, and then we have
Yes,
to
2 and 8. 2 as it is.
मैम बैलेंसिंग
And 8 में क्या करेंगे हम?
Into 8
Ma'am,
plus 2
we'll
into 2.
8
do the 2
plus
into, and then we'll plus 4.
करेंगे multiply by 2. 2 2s are 2 into 2.
4.
So 2, 8 plus 4. It is 12. Then 12 divided by 8.
8.
It is 1.4. So 4 is your remainder and that in this. So 3 is your answer, quotient, and 4 is your remainder.
यस
भूल गए हो, रिवाइज करो पीछे वाला सारा. ओके ओके. निहारिका, show me your copy.
Ma'am, Vedics.
Yes. हाँ फटाफट. जसमीत लेफ्ट, दूसरी अदित, दीज आर लेफ्ट ओनली, है ना? फटाफट लेफ्ट करते जाओ कि मैम कॉपी चेक करने लगे हैं.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
Ma'am, this is from starting and and this is today's work.
ओके
Thank you, ma'am.
ओके ओके ओके. जानवी, 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 JHANVI. Show me